How to cancel Robinhood automatic deposit. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel an automatic deposit on your Robinhood account. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood app on your phone. If you are an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you are an Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Now make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, you will see this home page, and here on the bottom right corner you can see this person icon. Click on it and it will lead you to your account menu. After that, tap on transfers, or you can also click on the search bar and type in transfers. Now on the transfers, tap schedule deposit or recurring deposits. You'll see a list of an automatic deposit you have set, and tap the deposit you want to cancel, then tap cancel deposit at the bottom. Confirm it and you are done. So this is how you cancel your deposit on Robinhood account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.